Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either disable or enable sidebar apps to show you notifications in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So the sidebar is a newer feature within Microsoft Edge that allows you to access different tools and features side by side within your browser and stays on the page regardless of where you go on the web. So if you want to go ahead and disable notifications or perhaps enable them if you have certain notifications you want to allow. I'm going to show you guys how to make that modification. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the menu icon up at the top right corner of the browser window. Just go ahead and left click on that and then go down and select the settings. On the left side, you want to select sidebar. And then on the right side, underneath apps and notification settings, allow sidebar apps to show notifications. If you want to enable this feature, you would make sure this is toggled to the on position, which would be indicated by a blue oval here. If you want to turn that off or disable notifications from those sidebar apps, you just go ahead and toggle that to the off position. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.